Hello and welcome to the interview with the Mads Erland.
With the journalist. Okay, today it's gonna be a funny day because there's a really big story. Oh, what's up? Ah! Hey! Jeg har rødzone. Jeg har rødzone. Der er morder fri fod. Jeg har rødzone. Er hulemand? Hey! 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 Stop! Rødzone, sagde jeg. Kom her! Jeg holder! Yes, today it's really bad. Just you water. Slip that. Vil du bare siddende? Indtil politifolk.
What did you have to say of this?
This is really crying, man. Okay, godt. Hvad fuck er det, du laver? I'm just kill you. I'm so happy. Ja, lige om lidt kom min politifolk og hjælper. Ring efter mine venner. Okay. 115. Okay. Det er specialstyrken. No. Vi har virkelig mange. Hello. This is a man, a journalist. You mean Mads Erland? Yeah. On the police way. There, come.